Good morning. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Sam Hosack and I'm the Managing Director at Prospect Resources. Prospect Resources has just released a maiden resource estimate for the Mumbezhi Copper Project. It's a tremendously exciting time for us on our project. So I thought I'll try to do a little bit of a talk through of why I'm so excited and why I've got such high conviction on the Mumbezhi Copper Project. We acquired this project last year in May. We embarked on a maiden drilling program for Prospect. This project had been drilled extensively over about a 12 or 13 year period. So we declared it more or less a brownfield exploration target. We had estimated around 50 million tons at 0.55% copper. So we knew what we were getting into, and we had an internal target to more or less double that with our maiden resource or maiden drilling program. Recently, we've completed all the work, which was a combination of all the drilling, a lot of independent assessment of all the results we've got, and that resulted in a maiden resource estimate being released by the company this week. So, tremendous milestone for us. For those that follow us closely, you know that we're very process-driven in terms of de-risking our projects. And it's a really great milestone for us. So 107 million tons at 0.5% head grade. Really important to know that this is a significant milestone for us in the sense that it's over 500,000 tons of copper contained at a grade that is very viable for processing. Now, when we dial back to Zambia 20 odd years ago, this part of the region of Zambia, the northwest region, it was largely difficult to access. I won't say inaccessible, but as First Quantum Minerals and Barrick, previously Equinox, did their investments at Sentinel and Lumwana, we've seen this region get connected through infrastructure, socially, power, roads, you name it, especially economic zones and zones of economic development. So this part of Zambia is essentially, in our view, the focus point for copper production and where a huge significant foundation of the future copper production of Zambia is going to emanate. We're talking about grades at Lumwana and Sentinel of about 0.5%, sometimes lower. So we are in a very typical region. We're getting typical results. But the key to this, not only did we do the maiden resource estimate, but we produced an independent exploration target. That is ranging between 420 million tons and just over 1 billion tons at 0.5% copper. So we're really starting to get the reinforcement of our high conviction that this project has scale. Grade we're comfortable with, and scale we're really starting to have high conviction on where we're going to find it and what we're going to do. So it's a really incredible milestone for us. 500,000 tons of copper contained. We're starting to really see significant scale potential. So moving to Zambia, those of you who follow the company and certainly copper production in Zambia will know that Zambia is on a mission to produce 3 million tons of copper by 2031. Now that is a fourfold increase pretty much from what we saw in 2024. And to do that, we see a government put the right policies and investment frameworks into the market to attract the capital. So not only are we tremendously excited about our project with such a competent team, we're also very excited about Zambia. So that's an important thing for us to lean on heavily as we bring more and more results to the market. So as we project forwards, obviously huge upside potential for this project. We need to go and put some more exploration drilling meters into the project. And just to point to the balance sheet of the company, we carried over the new year with 8.5 million Australian dollars, and we are looking at asset disposals around the group to fund the continuation of our work through to the end of the year. So we're in a really strong balance sheet position. We've got a great asset. We're getting reasonable interest from our peer groups within the country. And lastly, and really most importantly, is we've got the right team for this. So I'd like to close by just really acknowledging the success to my team. Thank you guys and girls. It has at times been extremely challenging, with high expectations, and I think you guys have knocked the ball out the park. So thank you very much. Thank you to our shareholders, and please put comments and questions in the comment section if you have any. I am extremely excited, and I look forward to answering any other questions. Thank you.